So here we're going to practice the sin and the shin. So the word I was saying is ساعة. ساعة. Can you say it after?
ساعة.
ممتاز. One more time.
ساعة.
جميل جدا. And then sheen, that's when you think of the word like in English you would say shajara, tree, and show, it's the same as sh sound,
So,
like show, shajara. But
شجر.
sa as in sat, when you say sat down,
Mhm.
sa'a.
ساعة. ساعة.
There you go.
Yep.
Sat.
ساعة. ساعة. ساعة.
Sat sa'a. ممتاز. So we have sa'a. Let's see. The other sound I'd like to practice with you is the sod
صاد.
and the sin.
صاد. سين.
Okay. Since we're doing reading, I'll just articulate some sounds with you and help you say them. And then we're going to go to our reading. So we have sod and sin, and the one we did is sheen and sin. Okay, so let's practice sod.
صاد.
Saf,
صف.
saf.
صف. Is that class?
ممتاز.
صف.
You got it. Okay.
صف.
صفر.
Travel. صفر.
Okay, what did you hear? Did you hear the sod or the sin? When I said صفر.
سين. سين.
Try again.
Oh, it's a
صفر.
sheen.
صفر.
صفر. صفر.
صفر.
صفر.
صفر. صفر.
صفر. صفر.
Which is like 0, صفر, صفر. But if I say سفر, سفر, travel, سفر.
صفر.
Like, can you think of the word safari when you say safari? Do you
Safari.
say safari or you say safari?
Safari.
It's deeper,
Safari.
right? It's a deeper
Yeah.
S. Okay. So that's the same sod sound when you say so. Safari.
So, okay. Safar. Safar.
So صفر, صفر, صفر is deeper. صفر.
صفر.
There you go.
صفر.
So. And then I'm going to put kasra underneath the sod. Sli.
Oh. Sleep. 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 Oh.
Ah, good. You got it. You got it. صفر. صفر.
Fine.
أمل.
Animal. Animal.
I know you're thinking about work because you don't know this
Yeah.
word. The word I'm saying is hope. أمل.
Oh, okay. Aleph.
ممتاز. And then عمل.
Fine.
You got it. جميل جدا. ممتاز. And that will be all for this practice.